Hello guys. All right, so I want to do a live analysis. Today is Wednesday, Thursday, right? So I want to do a live analysis so that we can be able to see what is going on. So those of you that come to my YouTube channel to watch some videos, please do well to subscribe, drop a subscribe and like. I really appreciate it. So as you guys know, I usually go on the 3 months time frame, not because I want to trade on 3 month time frame, just because I want to see a clear picture of what's going on. So if you look very well on this 3 months time, clearly see that you can clearly see that the rejection on this zone here. So price has actually came down before, trying to break this zone here. This zone was a resistance which turned support. So price came back, tested how many times, meaning that this zone is a very strong zone. Yeah. So what are we expecting right now? This is a 3 months thing. We really don't know what's going on right now. But all we know that there was down here, this one here now, and now price is rejecting back, retracing back all the way up. So is this market going to sell down? We don't, or will it use from here and start going back up? We still don't know. But also if you look here, sorry, I want to delete this thing. Okay, if you look here now, you can see that there is a resistance up here. There's a resistance up here, you can see, which means that we are still more bearish at this market. This zone is stopping price, and if you look here, you can see a engulfing, which signifies that we have a lot of selling pressure in this market. So the next thing I'm going to do now, let me go to the 1 month time frame and see something. All right, I'm waiting for it to load. Okay, it's really slow. All right, okay, the 1 month time frame. Okay, okay, this is what's happening in 1 month time frame. It hasn't finished loading, you know. I'm waiting for it to load. Network is very bad, very bad. So if you look at here, first of all, we can clearly see that we have some kind of support zone around. Let me point it out to you. We have some kind of support zone around here. This zone here, sorry, this zone below here, you see, is helping price. It's stopping price from going down. It's helping price to go up. So here is more support. So it's supporting the price to go up. You can see how many times the market has actually tried to break this zone, but it couldn't. So which means that we have a lot of buyers sitting down right here, waiting to execute a buy on this market. You get, but if anything should make this zone to break, more sellers are going to come into this market because they believe that sellers now are now more. So it will interest more people that have buying buyers to turn sellers. So those who were looking for a opportunity to buy the market, instead of start selling it because now they've seen that this zone cannot hold anymore. So we'll have more sellers and price will actually sell all the way down. You get. So but for now, the market is looking somehow bullish. Remember that this is a 1 month time frame. On the 3 months time frame, bearish. On the 1 month time frame, we are seeing more buying opportunities. You get. But overall is bearish. You get. So that is just it. So now I'm going to go down to the weekly time frame. Remember that I want to take a trade today. So let's see. Application for more. All right, so let me go to the one. Everything just looking very slow. Let's go to the 1 week time frame. So this is already 5 minutes. I don't want this video to be long. Um, where is it? 1 week time frame. Oh my god. All right, 1 week time frame. All right. All right, this is 1 week time frame. You can see that this I marked right here now. Red line I marked here is actually a zone that is stopping price from going down. You know what is happening right here on this red line you see right here now? It's just like an area that we have enough buying pressure. Whenever the price sells to that, more buyers will come into the market and say no, 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 we are here, we are waiting. You get, so here is more like a support zone. It's stopping price from going down. Whenever price get to that point, price have enough strength to start going up again. We have a lot of buyers sitting at that zone. You get, so now we'll take trade. You get, so we are not trying to like analyze every single thing. But another thing I could actually see here on the weekly time frame that could actually give me some insights. So if you look here now, okay, I got that. I wish I use my laptop for analysis. It's smoother. Oh my god. Please, you guys should bear with me. Oh, bear with John. I don't want to draw it that way. It's too big. I want to reduce it. Oh, okay. Let me see. It's too big. Okay. Hi. Okay. Now I want to move it up a little bit. But it's still that zone, although. But I just want to move it up a little bit here. That's why you see, trading with laptop is very good. This one now I just doing it anyhow. Okay, should I leave it that way? No, I can't leave it that way. And the video is not taking long. Okay, let me leave it like this. So now you can see this place I marked there. This side I marked before was like a zone that was stopping price from going down before. You can see this zone here. This zone was stopping price from going down before, right? So whenever price come there, that place is like helping price to go up. You can see this green bullish candlestick up. So that zone was like it's more like a support zone. You know that when we talk about support and resistance, support is what is helping. Like for instance, now if you want to jump, the ground is a support, and when you jump, the ceiling is a resistance. So anything that helps you to continue in a particular direction is supporting you in that direction, and anything that is stopping you from going in a particular direction is resisting you. You get, so that is exactly what is happening. So here now is a support. So the next thing you see, once price broke that support, does it mean? It tells a lot of sellers that this zone is no longer active. So even people that were buying around here, were buying around this zone now, will not automatically change to selling. It's like sellers. A lot of them will not have selling buyers. Most of them are interested. Most people that are interested take a buy now will not change their mind and start taking a sell. And you can see how price actually sold all the way down. Are you getting? So that is why I was telling you guys that this this is more like a class. Okay, but don't worry, let me give it out. Okay, so like this that's what I was telling you guys. You see this red line here I marked, it's not supposed to be a line, no, but it's a zone. You can see that it's actually stopping price from going down. Whenever price come there, a lot of people will be interested to buy this market, and the market will start going all the way up. You get? So any day that this price break this red line, you see a lot of sellers is going to come into the market. You get? So but for right now, the market is actually bullish because of this support zone, which is this red line here. You get? So but you know we cannot trade on the weekly time frame. You get? So we have to scale down. I want to take a trade today. So now we go to daily time frame. All right, okay, we are on the daily time frame. Okay, now if you look at what's happening on the daily time frame now, it's a different picture from what's happening on the weekly time frame and the 3 months and 1 month. So now if you look on the daily time frame, you can clearly see that there was actually like there was actually a break of this support here. You can see this zone here. You can see buyers were trying to like buy here, but this zone was stopping price from going up. So finally the price actually broke this with this blink and green candle actually broke this zone. You get? So as it broke it, it means that buyers are more in this market because they actually broke this resistance. So now this resistance now is going to turn support. It's going to turn support. You get? So now this red candlestick coming down here is going to tell us what to do, either to buy off this zone like this. Let me show you guys. Let me show you guys what I mean. I want to delete that arrow. Okay, look at what I mean. So what will happen here now is that remember that this is a daily time frame and we also don't take trade on a daily time frame. So what we think could happen is that maybe price could come here and start going back up. You get? Because that here was a support before, a resistance before, now it's not turn support. Either price come here, gain strength and start going all the way up. You get? Or it could start selling from here all the way down. Because if you also look here as well, if you look here, if you look at here as well, here was a support before that was broken. So price here now is more like a retest on it. It might sound complicated, but I'm just teaching based on my experience. You get? So there's a possibility that price will come here and start going up, or there's a possibility you could start selling down based on this big move that actually happened here. Remember that here was a support, it was broken, price is here. This could be more like a retest to sell down. You get? So now I'm going to go down to the 4 hours time frame. 4 hours time frame. All right, this is the 4 hours time frame. You can see price actually selling. Selling. You get? It's actually selling. So now if you look at this 4 hours time frame, it's showing us a very clear picture that you can see this was actually a trend line break. You can see we have this is a trend line, first touch of the trend line, second touch, and price actually broke out from the trend line. What is going to happen here, we don't know. Is price going to sell all the way back to this trend line? You get? Or is it going to reject from here and start going all the way up? But if you look at this candlestick, it shows that the sellers are more, because you hardly can see any buying candlestick interfering with this, which means that sellers are more in this market and they are stronger in this market. You get? There's no buying candlestick. All these candlesticks were selling candlestick for 4 hours, selling candlestick. So if you jump in for a buy right now, you just like you're standing in front of a caterpillar, you might get crushed. So you have to see a reason why you should buy or sell this market. Remember that there's possibility that since price have broken this trend line, it could be coming back to retest the trend line, or it could actually reverse from all the way. If you reverse from here and start going up, nobody knows. So now let's go to the 1 hour time frame and see what you might be expecting. Oh, everything is sell, 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 sell. All right, so what can we actually see here? It's kind of complicated, but what I can see right here is that first of all, just follow me, okay? My chart look messy, right? Okay, let me delete this higher time frame. Let me delete higher time frame resistance or support. So let me delete it. Good. Okay, now since I deleted it, it's looking a little bit clear, because if you look here now, if you look here was actually like a support. Remember that here was a resistance before, you get, and now that's broken with this big candlestick here. So there's a possibility that this market could come here to test it, you get, to come and test it and start going all the way up, you get. So that is what we are just looking right now. What we are looking at for is more of selling opportunities. We could sell it down to this zone here, you get. We could sell it down to this zone here. So okay, then let's see here. If you look here as well, you could see that this was a support zone that was broken as well, you get. That zone was stopping price from going down, it was supporting price to go up. Now price has broken it. Are you seeing? This is one sign to show that sellers are more in the market, you get. And also if you look down below again, let me color this one a different, let me use a different color for this. Okay, so if you've been watching the video up to this point, please just help me subscribe in the channel. And there's a broker I'm using. The broker accepts a minimum of like $1. You can actually check out the link on the description. Yes, just support me, okay? Thanks. So if you also look here too, here was more like a support that has been broken as well. That zone, you can see some rejection on the right here. Let me show you. You can see some rejection here, which means that this zone was actually helping price to go up. Are you seeing? So now price is even breaking it, is going down. So the next place we know price is going to get to at least is this yellow zone right here, right? So now remember, I want to take an entry, and we don't take entry after 9. It's only by 9 we take entry. Even if price is breaking a particular zone, as long as it's not 9. Okay, now it's 9 in the morning. So now let me scale down to the 5 minutes time frame and see what I'm looking at. My possible trade today. All right, beautiful. I love what 5 minutes is showing me right now. So good. You know what, let me just delete this upper ones I did here. Let me delete this one here. Let me also delete this one. Yeah. Okay, so what I'm seeing right now, although price is very close to the higher time frames resistance that was turn support, you get, but what is it, trading is also risky, so we better take the risk. What if it breaks? What if it comes here, break, and was going down ahead? So we have to take the risks, and if price will hit us out, we are out, you get. So I'll be going on this trade live with you guys. So look at the trade entry here. Okay, this is the trade entry. Good. Then my stop loss will be, yes, perfect stop loss. My entry will just be below. My entry will be below. Sorry about that. My entry is gonna be below. Okay, okay, beautiful, like that. Then I could target. Where can I target? Okay, I don't really have a target yet, but let me go to the let me scale down to maybe the 4-hour time frame and see if I could get a target for myself. Okay, this place is kind of very risky to take because it's close to this. It's close to this zone already. It's very risky trade. Very, very risky. Very risky. Okay. So, but if that zone could not hold, then we know that price is going to at least get to this zone here. See this zone I want to mark right now. This zone. You see this zone? Then maybe we'll just target anywhere around there, giving us a risk to reward of 1:3.9. You get. So that is just it. That is just it. So now we've seen a selling up, we've anticipated a selling opportunity. So now it's time for us to anticipate a buying opportunity as well, in case price actually wants to buy. You get where we should expect price to get to. Okay, let me just mark it out right now before. Okay, let me see. Let me mark here first, then let me mark here second. Let me mark here second. All right, so now I'm supposed to go live on this trade though. Sorry, let me get prepared with this other on my phone. So now I'll go to the 5 minutes time frame. Okay, beautiful. Remember we said that if price should break below that zone, then we should buy the market, we should sell the market all the way down, right? All the way down. That is giving us a risk to reward of 1:3. You get. So now, what if price did not break that zone? What is our buying possibility? Okay, but I think it's going to break. Oh, I need to get ready to enter this trade. I think I need to get ready to enter this trade now. So if the price did not actually break that zone, if it wants to go up, at least we'll buy from here. We'll be buying from here. We'll be buying from around here. Okay, let me just say around here. Okay, then we'll buy all the way up to those green lines I marked. Giving us a risk to roll the 1:2. You get. So that is just it. So if that zone did not hold, then we can also buy all the way down to the second green line. You get. So don't use TP. Just all you have to do is just monitor what the price do around this zone. And this zone too is also another zone to watch out for. So if you see any crazy price activity around this zone, please close your trade though, because those zones can actually do something crazy in the market. So these are our two expectations in the market right now. Two trade expectations. Let me screenshot it. Alright, so but we are more looking at sales, you guys, because right now price is close, very close to the support zone. Although what price is trying to form is looks like a double bottom. So but let's see what happens. Let me set up my trading stuff to take this shit. Remember that trade is a risk, you get. So even if you hit SL, that doesn't mean you don't know how to trade. It simply means that the market did not go in your direction, you get. So you try again. So this trade is Euro JPY So guys, if you've watched to this point, please do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I appreciate. You get it? I appreciate that. So now going for a sell right now. Going for a okay. Let me see. Okay. Okay, I think I should be going for a sell right now. I'm in for a sell already. But wait. Euro JPY. Okay. Let me see. Okay, we have 2 minutes for this candlestick to close. Alright, so let me set my this thing. Alright. Let me see. I just want to be sure. I don't want a fake out, you know. I want to be sure. I want to see. Okay, I'm going in for a sell right now. Okay, I just want to be sure. How many? 1 hour, 1 minute. Okay. I've not entered yet. I've not placed my trade yet for a sell. So I just want to be sure. You can see what price is doing. It's trying to reject by the zone, meaning that zone is strong. So you cannot just, you have to be very conscious, so you not just lose your trade like that. Get. So all right. Remember that we have two possibilities. If the market should sell down, we are joining for a sell, and if the market should buy up, we are joining for a buy. You get. So now we just want to see what's going to happen. I saw the momentum candlestick going down, and I knew this is not strong enough. It's not strong enough to break. You get. So the video is already taking long. This is 27 minutes. Oh, this is really long. So you know what will happen? Just go back on your own chart and just do it like this and wait and see what the price will actually do, because I'll be monitoring it, because you know sometimes price might take a very long time to actually play out. So this is the trade analysis. So let's see how it goes. All right, take care guys, bye. So please do well to subscribe to the YouTube channel, and if you want to register for the broker I'm using, minimum deposit $1, minimum withdrawal is 0.74 cents. Very cheap, very good. I've been enjoying from them. Beautiful. You get. And my name is John Ojon. You can follow me on Facebook, John Ojon. You get. You can follow me on TikTok, John Ojon. Okay. Thank you very much.